Hello and welcome. I am Maestra Teacher and this is my 5th and 6th grade Oasis channel. I've been a teacher for more than 20 years and I've taught gen ed and bilingual classes as well. In today's video, I would like to share with you 5 difficult situations that I lived through as a teacher in school. If you are a new teacher or new to teaching, know that besides all your regular teacher duties that you're going to have to do during your school year, there could be some other situations that could arise in schools, and you as a teacher should be prepared for them. The first difficult situation that I lived through has been through real lockdowns. I know we practice a lot. We had tons of drills for lockdown at our schools, but when you have a real one, that's bad. It was 2 times that I do remember that there was a lot of shots and shooting near our school. So therefore, we really had to go through lockdown. And there was another time that a parent was upset and was trying to enter our school with a gun. So yes, these things are real and they could happen in any minute, and we see it in the news all the times with all the different school shootings. Make sure that you practice with your students the lockdown. At this age, students, when we do drills, they tend to laugh and some of them seem to take it as a joke. So I am very strict when we're doing different drills. And I do give consequences to those who do not follow the instructions in a drill. The second situation is also a real fire. I know we have tons of fire drills, but I was once at a school where there was a real fire. It occurred in the basement of the school during the winter time, that one of the heaters of the school caught fire. And thank God we were able to run out of the school with all the students and everybody was safe, but it did happen. The third difficult situation that I've been through at schools is the passing away of a student. Yes, unfortunately, I've been in school where I have students who have passed away, either by natural causes such as sickness, and other times because they have unalived themselves. He was not my student, but he was in our school, so it affected everyone there. Usually the counselors come right away and provide services to the students, but you as a teacher can talk to them about it. You can go together to funerals, you can make cards. Second difficult thing that has happened to me as a teacher is that there has been 2 times that while giving the state test, that test that you spend your whole year preparing them for, once they start the test, the lights goes out. Yes, this has happened to me twice. The first time, the electricity and lights went out right in the middle of the test. And the second time, it happened right before the test. In the morning while they were eating breakfast, there was a blackout and we were not able to test that day at all. And if this happens to you and you're giving a state test and the lights goes away before the test, you are able, at least in the state of Texas, to not give the test that day, give it another day, and that's what I suggest. Most difficult, or not that difficult, but it was definitely a once in a lifetime. There was a mom at our school who was pregnant, and she came to school to pick up her child early that day. And while she was in the office filling out the paperwork to take him home, she gave birth right there in our office. How about that? We closed the office, everybody running, everybody back to the classrooms. No one could pass through that hallway. The nurse and a bunch of other people were helping out. We had a teacher at that school who was a bilingual teacher that came from another country. And in her country, before being a teacher here, she was a doctor. So they quickly called her. She went to the nurse's office, and between that teacher and the nurse, they were able to deliver that baby safely. It was fine, but it really was an ordeal and a surprise to everyone. Well, there you have it. Those have been my 5 most difficult things that happened at school while I've been a teacher. How about you? Have you ever had something difficult happen to you? Please comment down below and let me know. And I'll see you in my next video. See you soon.